Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your LinkedIn messages into a CRM pipeline with Zoho. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your LinkedIn messages into a CRM pipeline with Zoho, you need to start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your messages by clicking on the messaging icon in the top menu. Identify the conversation thread you want to export to Zoho. Open the conversation and manually copy the text of the messages you wish to transfer. Next, log into your Zoho CRM account in a new browser tab. In your Zoho dashboard, navigate to the Leads or Contacts section, depending on where you want to store the messages. Click on the Add New or Create Lead button. In the lead or contact creation form, fill in the necessary details such as name, email, and company information. In the Notes or Description field, paste the LinkedIn messages you copied earlier. Review all the details to ensure everything is accurate and complete. If applicable, assign the lead to respective owners or departments using the option provided. Once you've completed the form, click on the Save or Create button to add the lead to your CRM pipeline. Repeat this process for all relevant conversations you want to transfer to Zoho. For a more streamlined process, consider using third-party automation tools to connect LinkedIn with Zoho. These tools can automatically sync your LinkedIn messages to your CRM, thus saving you time. Ensure to review any integrations for compatibility and functionality before setting them up. After your integration is complete, check your Zoho CRM dashboard regularly to keep track of your messages and leads. This process will help you maintain a comprehensive pipeline and track conversations effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.